Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a JavaScript program using online compiler from the internet. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. One of the advantage of technology, especially with the tremendous amount of improvement on internet technology, is it allows us to create and compile a program in several programming language. One of the most popular programming language was ever created is JavaScript programming language. In some articles that I have read from the internet, JavaScript is already considered one of the most popular programming language used primarily for web development and mobile development. Now, one of the interesting things that I would like to share with you guys in this video is that you can write a JavaScript program and then you can run it online. There are hundreds or even thousands of online compilers that is available in the internet. Some of us are not aware of, especially students or beginners that's starting out in learning how to write a program. Most of the time, we type in a text editor and open in our browser to test our JavaScript program or JavaScript code. That's it. So what is the advantage of using online compiler? Okay, number one, using online compiler, it is you can type and then immediately you can run much faster compared to the manual. Number two, some of the online compiler has a built-in intelligence. It will check for your syntax. Okay. Number three, it makes your life as a programmer much easier. Okay, so in this video, one of the online compiler that I have discovered is onecompiler.com. It supports several programming language. Okay, just like this one, we have several. There are so many actually, programming language like Java, Python, C, Groovy, Ada, even assembly language is being supported. Visual Basic.net, Rust, Swift, Octave, BrainFC, okay, and also web languages, database, you name it, they have it, not all but majority, okay. So here I will write a code. Let's say we want to write hello world, console. Can you see it automatically displays some commands to guide you, hello world in JavaScript. That's it. When I click the run button here, okay, it display hello world in JavaScript. Okay, how about a simple mathematical operation? Okay, var a equals 5, var b equals 3, okay, semicolon var, actually without semicolon it's still valid, but I was trained to have a semicolon most of the time too. And then we have here var sum equals open and close parentheses a plus b plus c, and then console log okay, let's say sum. So we are expecting we had 10, so when I click the run button here, we have here 10. How about we have a mistake, okay, I just erased that. Okay, it creates an error. AC is not defined, no? So syntax error. So we can correct that by putting a plus sign here, B plus, and then we run. Okay, we have 10. So okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a JavaScript program using online compiler. In this case, we are using onecompiler.com. You can use also other online compilers as long it supported JavaScript programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.